Everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with my first ATC trade from Miss Cat's Crafting Trade, and this is from Sabrina. Oh my god, look at it. He's so cute. I love him. He's so cute. So the extras. Let's see what she sent. She sent some green Irish looking green paper. And let's look at the world map paper. And then we got the dream catcher. Some flowers. Some like foliage. Ooh. Cute ladies. How neat. We have some little ephemera pieces, sewing machine, and thread. And then this 10, and then spool cotton, and then this spool cotton, and spool cotton. That's cool. All right, let's decorate the page. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put down the green paper, and I'm just going to do that right on here. And this one is going to go like that. And we're going to take the ladies. Them are cool ladies. I don't know where she got them, but them are neat. I like the size of them. Them are cool. Now, oopsie. That one right in the center. And bring this up. There we go. Oh, now I got the corner all. Okay, right there. I didn't cover much up of the image. I didn't want to cover so much that you can see it. Actually, gonna go like that. Nah. We'll put that one right there. Cool. I like how I do these and how I kind of try to get everything on it from the person. Sometimes I end up making 2 pages. So also, I'm going to show, I got a package this weekend from Sabrina, and there was a little guy in it, and I put him right there in this one in my book. This is my this year's Smash book kind of thing. Okay. March. Sabrina. Cool. And there's her ATC. He is so adorable. I love how she colored him. She's so cute. All right, let's put it in the book. There we go. There's Miss Sabrina's. Kiss me, I'm Irish. So that was some March's ATC trade from Sabrina. I can't wait to get a few more in. I want to thank you guys for watching. And I love it all, Sabrina. I have to ask her where she got those, because them are neat. I like those ladies. And they make cool on tags. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.